Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the origin, the theories on origin of life. The previous video we have completed the three theories. One is the special creation theory. The second one is the cosmozoic or the sports theory. The third one is abiogenesis theory. Now today's in this video we are discussing about the theory of biogenesis. What is that biogenesis? The theory of the biogenesis. So the previous video about abiogenesis, what A means absent of life, means the origin of the life is originated from the non-living things, the which according to the abiogenesis, who the Plato, Aristotle, one element. But the now today is that about the against of the abiogenesis, that is which one, the theory of biogenesis, which is what is the theory is about the theory of biogenesis. See that biogenesis theory is against of abiogenesis theory. The bio means according to bio means life. The Genesis means produce. What is the meaning that the produce means the life is originated from the pre-existing body or the pre-existing organism. Now, according to the which that the biogenesis theory means this biogenesis theory is against of the abiogenesis theory. Against they took the challenges to against of the abiogenesis theory, which biogenesis theory. Who supported the biogenesis theory? The one member first is the Louis Pasteur, Lazzaro Spallanzani. Next is the third person, Francisco Redi. The three members. Who is the three members? The Louis Pasteur, Lazzaro Spallanzani, Francisco Redi. The three members to take the challenge to against of the abiogenesis theory. All the three members are said the living organism is originated from the pre-existing organism. Means from the living organism originated from the living beings, only that. Which are the three scientists. How they said that the three scientists can be proved by the practically these three scientists, who that Louis Pasteur, Lazzaro Spallanzani and Francis Redi. But in this, the one by one, what we have to do that, where did the experiment, we can explain through the experiment. The first experiment is Redi's experiment. First one is Redi's experiment. According to the Francisco Redi is conducted the experiment by using of the jars. What he did, he take the three jars. Jar 1, the second it is a jar 2, the third one is jar 3, which this is jar 1, jar 2, next is jar 3. The three jars are took by the Francis Redi. In that, what he did that, in this that the middle, what he did in the middle, he took down before this experiment is start with the sterilization. Start with the what? The sterilization. The sterilization means the boiling each other. The A also, the first one also he boiled, the second one also boiled, the third one also boiled. The due to the boiling or the heating, which is any microorganism is there. After it is eliminated. Like this means in this he took the meat, but here also he took the meat, here also he took the meat. After took the three are the boiled, after the boil there is open, there is a sterilization. It become a sterile, means there no microorganism, that. Then after that, after the sterilization and after the autoclave, means after the eating that, the jar one is open. It is covered with muslin cloth with allow the air. The next it is allowed. The next is not allowed. Parchment paper. It does not allow. Sorry, the muslin cloth does not allow the air. This it is covered by the muslin cloth. This is covered by the parchment paper. The jar 3 that. But he lived these 3 jars in few hours. Then after the few hours, the few days, what he observed that after the few days he observed that which is the uncovered one, which is the open one is there, the jar, there is the appeared of organism, which the jar one, but remaining the 2 is did to appear that. So what it said that from the environment, the organism, the living organisms can be joined here. Here the appear the organism. Who said this? This is through the proved by the Reddy's experiment. Then after that, next experiment is Lazzaro the Spallanzani experiment. Experiment, that is the Lazzaro Spallanzani experiment. In the Lazzaro Spallanzani experiment, he took the flask. He took the flasks that Lazzaro Spallanzani that. In that flask, the Lazzaro Spallanzani, he took the hay fusion nothing but which is the liquid of the dry leaves or dry grass. The liquid of the dry grass, it is called as hay fusion that. See here once that after that, in any experiment start with the what? Sterilization, means the boiling that. So here the flask A, here the flask B. In the both that what is added the hay fusion that. After the adding the hay fusion, there is the boiling. They do the boiled. Here also boiled. Here also the boiled that. Due to the boiled, what happen? Any microorganism is there, it is eliminated from the flask that. Then after that, in the step 2, second step, what he did that in the both flask, in this flask is open, but is a flask is closed, means the sealed. In the second one, which is the B, is the sealed that. Then after that, what he did, he wait for the 1 or 2 days, the few days that. What happened that after that, here which is a flask is a opened one, there is the teeming of with microorganism, means here the microorganism. But which is a closed is the gray. Which is the gray is the closed one is there, the flask. The gray is free of the microbes that. Based on that, he said that the microorganism is the teeming because from the environment here the organisms are produced, means every living organism originated from the pre-existing cells, like this is proved by the who that Lazzaro Spallanzani, that is this is about the Spallanzani experiment. Next after that, another important that is a swan neck experiment by the Louis Pasteur experiment. Next the last abiogenesis theory experiment, that is a very important experiment, that is about the Louis Pasteur experiment. The Louis Pasteur experiment, he was designed the flask, the special type of the flask he designed, that is appear like the neck of the swan. So that's why this is called the swan neck. Swan neck flask shape. Means the flask is appeared like a neck of the swan. That's why it is called swan neck flask experiment. This is a 2001 the KSET bit, KSET entrance examination, the 2001, which they ask the Swanwick experiment, the Swanwick flask shape experiment is done by who? The Louis Pasteur. That see here that the Louis Pasteur, what he did, the flask A, the flask B, and flask C. And see here in this flask A to take the yeast, the sugar and water. Here also yeast, sugar and water. Yeast in this both flask A and flask B, yeast, sugar and water. But here the C also like this only is there. So what is happening that what he did that in this again the 3 means each experiment start with the what we start with the sterilization, means again is a boiled, the again here also same, you take the what the boiled, again same here also again then he did the boiled. That due to the boiled any microorganism is there, the inside of the flask it is going to destroyed or the eliminated. That so then it is in this which is the liquid is took the yeast plus sugar plus the water, the 3 combination of the solution is took by the ear. Then it's the first one, the first group or the flask, it is a what, the closed one. It is a closed one. Then now it is a little opened. Then it is a bending itself. Not open but bending itself. That. So what is happening that after the, so like that you keep that after the sterilization, then adding of this all solution keep like that. After the few days, what he observed that there is a no microorganism, which is a little here the closed one, here the open is there. So here the again you observe the appear of microorganism. Then after that the third one is little bit of bending itself. The due to the bending itself, which is the third one is there. The here also we observe the development of the molds and the bacteria. Molds and bacteria. But what it is under in this another diagram that here it is not is completely closed, not open. That in the third last one is a closed one. When the closed this, what is happening? There is no microorganism. When the little bit of open, there is appear of microorganism. When it is closed, there is no microorganism. But here they observe one thing that here he observed the dust particles. So here the dust particle is there, nothing but there is a microorganism compulsory is there. But this microorganism they are unable to move the inside of the Swanwick shaped flask. That's why there is no microorganism inside that. When the little bit of tilt itself, it is a chance to move inside. So this is about the Louis Pasteur experiment. It's a very important experiment about the three experiment. Redis and Spallanzani, and the Louis Pasteur experiment. The living organism is originated from the living organism originated from the pre-existing organism. This about the biogenesis theory. That next catatropic theory. Next theory that the theory of catatropism, the cataclysm. The theory is introduced by who introduced that George Cuvier. The George Cuvier introduced the catatropism theory. That what is the meaning of the catatropism? Meaning of the catatropism means sudden damage. Its meaning is what? The sudden damage. The catatropism is a meaning is a sudden damage. So what is happening that according to this theory on the earth what happens suddenly when the natural disaster will kill that all the living organism is which is the living organism is there either animals, the birds, human beings, some other all the animals are going to completely destroyed. After the completely destroyed, what happened that new living organism is originated. So like that only now present living organism is originated like this only after the sudden damage Who said this? This is George Cuvier. This is a catechalism theory that. The next about of this, the next modern theory of on origin of the life or Operon and Alden theory. Operon and Alden theory are conservative theory about now we are discussing. The next one, the modern hypothesis theory of origin of life or the conservative theory. Operon and Alden theory are the biochemical theory that. So this theory, according to this theory is introduced by Operon. Operon is introduced the theory introduced by Operon, but it is supported by Halden, JBS Halden. Yes, the Operon belongs to Russia. The Operon belongs to the England. Yes, that how is that JBS Halden belongs to JBS. The Halden is belongs to Russia. Belong to Russia. That. According to these two scientists, here the one thing is there that the Halden is Bhubaneswar. He was settled in Bhubaneswar. It is the previous sentence bit. The Halden is settled in where in India? He is settled in Bhubaneswar. He is introduced the Operon and supported by the JBS Halden is Russia. The Operon is the England. That these two members, they are trying to explain the present environmental condition, early development of Earth. In the time, how is the environmental condition is there? They want to try to explain. They are just imagine that. So next, the Operon. He wrote the one famous book, Operon. He wrote the book of Operon, Origin of Life. The Origin of Life book is wrote by the Operon. It's a very, very important that. Along same only, then Origin of Species there. Another book is there. Origin of the Species. The book is wrote by the Charles Darwin. He wrote the book is the Origin of the Species. Origin of Life is the Operon. He wrote the book that. The next, JBS Halden. Halden wrote the book, Halden book, that is the Engine. What is that? Is the Engine. The Engine book by the Halden. The Origin of Species by the Charles Darwin. The Origin of Life by the Operon. That. What he said that early at the atmosphere, the present conditions is a very quite opposite that. In the time early days, how is there? The temperature is very high. No O3, ozone is not there in the time. But oxygen is always there. The oxygen is reduced type of oxygen. Very, 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 very important. In the early developmental stages on Earth, oxygen always there. Reduced type of the oxygen, but it is in the form of oxide. That is a metal oxide. Like example of ferrous oxide, like that. In a metal oxide form only is there. But in the time, according to them. In the time, always there, the methane is present. Which one? The methane. Methane is there, ammonia is there, ammonia and hydrogen, H2 also is there. The methane CH4, NH3 is there. But how they are said the one ratio they said is a very, very important that is 2:1:1. 2 ratio according to them, that methane is a 2, ammonia is a 1, and hydrogen is the 2. So like that the ratio they given that the operon and aldol, it's one of the very important that. According to them, that the origin of the life is start with the chemical process, then it become a biological process. The origin of the life start with the reactions of the chemical reactions, chemicals. What happened that in the chemical reaction to then our chemical evolution become a biological evolution, very important this. Then after that, what according to this, there are number of the chemicals together, then number of chemicals together to form the monomers, then dimers, then after that what happened that simple forms, the simple forms become a what, the complex form to the finally the life is originated. Who said that? According to the conservative theory or Operon and Aldel, just they are imagine that. He said that the origin of life start with the chemical evolution. Means the chemical process, then it will become a biological process. So now what you have to do, what is the chemical evolution is the next video I am going to made that. So thank you one and all. This is about that. Any doubt is that keep on comment section and try to watch the video end of that. Okay, thank you so much.